Hello everyone, how are you all? This grammar lecture for class 1 subject English grammar. Today's topic is adjectives describing words. Lecture number 5. Students, today we will do the definition of adjectives. What's the use of adjective? Okay, let us start. Adjectives. Okay, today we will discuss about adjectives describing words. Adjective means visheshan. Now I am writing the definition of adjectives. Words that describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives. Okay, words that describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives. जो शब्द किसी पर्सन की, प्लेस की, किसी एनिमल की या किसी वस्तु की क्वालिटी को बताता है वो क्या कहलाते हैं? एडजेक्टिव्स. दे आर कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव्स. वर्ड्स for number, colors, size and shape are also called adjectives. ओके, जो वर्ड्स नंबर्स, रंगों को, साइज को, आकार को बताते हैं दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. उन्हें भी एडजेक्टिव्स कहा जाता है. I am giving you some examples. Number 1, like big ball. बिग क्या है? बॉल की क्वालिटी है कि वो बिग है. सो बिग इज एडजेक्टिव. नंबर 2, राउंड बॉल. यहाँ पर बिग इसकी क्वालिटी थी बॉल की और यहाँ पर राउंड बॉल. बॉल की क्या क्वालिटी है? राउंड है वो. तो राउंड इज एडजेक्टिव. राउंड बॉल की विशेषता है, उसका एडजेक्टिव है. नंबर 3, ग्रीन गार्डन. गार्डन इज ग्रीन. ग्रीन क्या है? इसकी स्पेशलिटी है, इसकी विशेषता है. गार्डन ग्रीन है, तो ग्रीन क्या है? एडजेक्टिव. आई एम गिविंग सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर यू. Some more examples. Number 1, beautiful girl. Beautiful, beautiful girl. Okay. Now ब्यूटीफुल क्या है? गर्ल की विशेषता है कि वो सुंदर है, सुंदर लड़की. सुंदरता क्या है उसकी? विशेषता. ब्यूटीफुल है वो. इन दिस सेंटेंस ब्यूटीफुल describe the beauty of girl. In these words, beautiful describe the beauty of girls. इसमें जो ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड है वो गर्ल्स की ब्यूटी को शो कर रहा है, बता रहा है. दैट्स वाई ब्यूटीफुल इज एडजेक्टिव. नंबर 2, loud music. Loud is adjective and describing words. Okay. Loud word describe the sound of the music. Here loud word जो है वो म्यूजिक के साउंड के बारे में बता रहा है कि म्यूजिक लाउड है, ऊंचा है. वो म्यूजिक की एक स्पेशलिटी बता रहा है कि म्यूजिक लाउड है, तो लाउड इज एडजेक्टिव. ओके. Sheet number 1, do not waste. Do not waste. Use of has and have. Number 1, fill in the blanks with has and have. Students, earlier I have taught you where should we use has and have in sentences. स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि हैज़ का यूज़ कहाँ करना चाहिए और हैव का यूज़ कहाँ करना चाहिए सेंटेंसेस में. वी विल नाउ प्रैक्टिस व्हाट वी हैव लर्न सो फार. आज हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जो हमने सीखा है. ए, आई डैश अ रेड पेंसिल in my geometry box. Student, first of all you have to see if the noun is singular, then you have to use has. If noun is plural, then you have to use have, except I को छोड़कर. I के साथ we will use always have. अगर नाउन सिंगुलर है तो हैज़ का यूज़ होगा और अगर नाउन प्लूरल है तो हैव का यूज़ होगा. आई के साथ हमेशा हैव का यूज़ होगा. गॉट इट? देन आई, सोचिए आप अब यहाँ क्या यूज़ होगा. थिंक अबाउट दैट. दिस इज आई, देन वी विल यूज हियर हैव. आई हैव a red pencil in my geometry box. B. My brother dash a blue bike. Think about that. You must think what should come in blanks, has or have. First of all, you have to check it is a singular or plural. My brother. Tell me, it's a singular or plural? My brother, मेरा भाई. It's a singular na? So we will use here has. My brother has a blue bike. Part C. The girls dash new dresses. Student, I told you that first of all we have to check that it's a singular or plural. Then how do we know that it's a singular or plural in girls? Because there is S in the end. If there is no S in the end, that it means it's a singular. Now there is S in the end, so it's become plural. The girls. Okay, singular means one and plural means more than one. Then there is girls. Girls is plural. So the girls have new dresses. Part D. A monkey dash a long tail. A monkey. एक monkey. Simple. It's a singular. So we will use here has. A monkey has a long tail. E. Elephants dash small eyes. Look here. There is S in the end. So it's a plural. Elephants. हाथी. बहुत सारे हाथी. एक से ज़्यादा. Elephants. It's a plural. So we will use here have. ये plural है इसलिए हम have का use करेंगे. Elephants have small eyes. F. A tiger dash stripes on its body. A tiger. Student, look at there. A tiger means एक बाघ. Simple. It's a singular because here is a tiger. एक बाघ. एक बाघ के बारे में बात हो रही है. We are talking about one tiger. So it's if there is singular, so we will use has. Okay, I told you na. So we will use here has. A tiger has stripes on its body. Part G. Our teacher dash a nice black bag. Our teacher. हमारी teacher. There is not talking about teachers. There is talking about teacher. So it's a singular. So we will use here has. Our teacher has a nice black bag. यहाँ पर एक टीचर के बारे में बात हो रही है तो यहाँ हैज का यूज करेंगे. H. Fish dash scales. There is no fishes, there is fish. So it's a singular. So we will use has. fish has scales. I, peacock dash beautiful feathers. Peacock means singular. So what we will use here? Think about that. If there is singular, so we will use has. If there is plurals, we will use have. There is singular, that's why we will use here has. यहाँ पर सिंगुलर है, एक पिकॉक के बारे में बात हो रही है, so we will use here has. Peacock has beautiful feathers. J, stars dash light of their own. Look at this. There is S, stars. There is talking about stars, more than one. If there is star, then it will be singular, but there is S in the end, so it become stars, more than one, एक से ज़्यादा. Stars, if there is plural, so we will use here have. Stars have light of their own. Number 2, choose has or have to make the sentences correct. हमें यहाँ पर has और have को चूज करना है sentences को करेक्ट करने के लिए. Let us read. A, Rita dash long hair. Which is right, has or have? First of all check, it's a singular or plural. Rita is a singular name, so has is a correct option. Okay, so we will tick here. Rita has long hair. B, my mother dash beautiful eyes. My mother, मेरी मम्मी, singular. So what we will use here? Singular के साथ क्या use करते हैं हम? Has. So we will use here has. My mother has beautiful eyes. ठीक है. C, banana trees dash broad leaves. Banana trees. Here is S. It's become plural. Banana trees. केले के पेड़. It means more than one tree. So it's a plural. So we will use here have, because we will use always have with plural. So banana trees have broad leaves. D, forest dash many trees. Forest means jungle. But we will use here has or have? Has. Forest has many trees. Part E, all kinds dash cute smile. All kids dash cute smile. Kids means बच्चे. Here is S. So they are more than one. So ये एक से ज़्यादा है. So we will use here have. All kids have cute smiles. F, I dash a robot then can talk. Look here. Here is I. So think about that. We will always use have with I. So have is a right option. I have a robot that can talk. G, my brother and Pankaj dash juice and sandwich for breakfast. My brother and Pankaj, मेरा भाई और पंकज, they are more than one, एक से ज़्यादा है ना. So we will use here है because they are plural. My brother and Pankaj have juice and sandwich for breakfast. H. She dash a nice garden in front of her house. She is a singular, so we will use here has. She has a nice garden in front of her house. I part. A giraffe dash a very long neck. A giraffe. एक giraffe. Simple. A giraffe means singular. So we will use here has. A giraffe has a very long neck. J. Birds. Look here again. Here is S. So there are more than one birds. एक से ज़्यादा पक्षी हैं. अगर एक होता तो bird होता, अगर एक से ज़्यादा हैं तो birds हैं. Birds have wings that help them to fly. This is a homework. Underline the adjectives. Okay. Firstly, you have to read these sentences. After that, you have to underline the adjectives. पहले आपको ये sentences read करने हैं. उसके बाद जो adjective है उसके नीचे आपको underline करना है. Number 1, Ravi has new shirt. Okay. Number 2, he is a tall man. Number 3, I live in small house. Number 4, my pillow is very soft. Number 5, the little puppy has short tail. Okay, read these sentences and underline the adjectives. After doing the homework, please send it to my mail ID by 8 PM. आपको होमवर्क करने के बाद मेरी मेल आईडी पे 8 बजे से पहले उसको सेंड करना है. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो देन लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू. बाय.